Hi, I'm Carolee, the unretired designer. I'm excited to be joining the DIY Mummy in our DIY and Decor challenge. Have you ever had anything that absolutely drove you crazy? For me, it was my tablecloths over the holiday season, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to organize them. Welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank each and every one of you that have subscribed to my channel, and I encourage you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, to consider doing so. Today I'm going to talk about something that drove me absolutely crazy while I was entertaining over Christmas. Every time somebody came over, it seemed like I had to change the size of my table, taking leaves in and out, which meant I had to find different size tablecloths. Currently, my tablecloths are organized according to color, and that meant I often had to take more than one tablecloth off to find the one that was the right size, and then I had to refold them and hang them back up. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all my tablecloths out, measure them, and organize them according to size, and then take out the ones that I no longer use and donate them. This is what you'll need to organize your tablecloths: garment bags, skirt hangers, and labels. So here I have laid 3 different size tablecloths out on the bed, and then I'm taking the other tablecloths out and measuring against the ones that are on the bed so I know which size each tablecloth is. So the next thing you need to do is fold your tablecloths up and hang them on the skirt hangers. Then we can put them into the labeled garment bag. I use skirt hangers because I don't want to be bothered with ironing the tablecloths when I'm getting ready for company coming over. There's too much to do then. If you put them on skirt hangers, then they're all ready to go, and you just put them on the tablecloth and away you go. So now all I have to do is tuck them away in my guest bedroom closet, and they're all ready for the next time I entertain. If you enjoyed this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel. I make 1 video a week on home decor, DIY, and home organization. I hope to see you soon.